Guys, like and subscribe if you want another Bedwars episode. And yeah, this is part 2, Bedrock Edition. Bro! Bawas may teammate again, man. Bro! Man! How? Look at that, bro! It's super danger to me, brother. No, bro. No, bro. I'd win, bro. If you're a girl, you're an e-girl. You Man, bro. I lose, man. The only way to find out if I lose. Stupid! I'd win. I'd win, bro. If I'd lose, no, man. I'm a good guy. Big guy in a good guy. Bro's blocking my way entrance. Nah, bro, you're not gonna get it. You're not eager with the boy and changer. Boy's changer, and you're a stupid idiot. Give me a diamond. Oh fuck, he can't hear me, brother. Oh freak me, man. Hear me, man. Give me your stuff. And don't ever go to my island again, bro. That guy, bro. He'll never get into my island. Because I'm gonna break it. The only way in and the only way out. Oh, fuck, we're doomed. Bro, he's back! He's back with a girl's suit! Bro, stop it, you fuck! Man, you know what? Fudge, man, fudge you, bro. I always suck at bedders. Bro, please give me a teammate, bro. Give me a teammate, bro. I don't have any teammate, bro. Any of this, I don't have a teammate, bro. Please, like a level 10 teammate, bro. I need it. Please, speed, I need it. That's why I suck at parkour. Give me a teammate. How do we get a teammate when I don't? I'm gonna cry. I don't have a teammate, brother. I'm gonna cry again, bro. I don't have a teammate, bro. That red guy, I don't know, but. on vacation. Getting in the bake. We can upgrade it. It's fun, right? Yes. No, what is it? Not that. Concrete. No, I'm a better player than ever, bro. And let's build them a gift. I'm gonna build them a gift for them. Okay. Bro, they is destroyed already, bro. Because they are sucking. Bro, how did they get that, bro? I didn't place that, bro. Are they hacking, man? Creative is eliminated, bro. Finally, not me, bro. Let's say hi, bro. Hi. Wanna team? Bro, I'm just gonna ask this guy, bro. This guy is outraging me, brothers. Oh, I think it's kinda trying to get out me, bro. Let's attack this guy, bro. Oh, he's going to the middle. I didn't notice that. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, bro. Wanna PvP here? Huh? He's kidding. He's super stupid, man. I don't know how, but yes, he's stupid. If he's stupid, I'm not stupid. Oh, are you hacking, bro? Nah, bro, don't connect it, bro. Combo! Combo, bro! Combo! Go back. Go back! Go back! Idiot! Bro, this is my first time, bruh. Idiot, come back! I'm gonna get my favorite one, bruh. Getting this, bro. And putting it here, bruh. Good. Need a god apple, bruh. No. Bro, stop it. Bro, stop it. Oh, yeah, bruh. Bro, get it, motherfucker. Haha, you're stupid. Haha, you're super stupid. You can break a bed. Oh my god, bro, help! Bro, I'm gonna bridge to them, bro. I'm not gonna break their bed. If they kill me, it's okay, bro. Who the frick? Bro! Help! No! Bro! No! Help! Bro, help! Bro! Can I give you stuff, bro? Give me stuff, bro. Help me, bro. Help me. He's trying to kill me. But he's stupid like him. He's a stupid idiot. Bro, don't kill me, bro. I trust you everything, bro. And my mama. Bro, get it all. Where is he? I think he teleported. What the hell? Oh, he's there. Bro, help me, bro. I'm gonna help you too, bro. I'm gonna help him defend, bro. Hey, you mother freaker, bro. Get out the mother freaker out here, bro. I'll sacrifice myself for my friend, bro. You mother freaker. Kill him, bro. Hey, bro. Bro, frick you, bro. Frick you, bro. You mother. Hey. He's trying to attack me. Hey! Your teammate, bro. Yo, bro. Bro, you motherfucker, bro. Motherfucker. Get out. I'm gonna bantay, bro. I don't care if I lose, man. I hope they win, bro. Bro! Stop it! Wait, what the hell? Bro, stop it! You're an idiot! What the fudge is that? What the fudge? Bro, team. I don't have a bed, bro. And you don't have a bed. I'm not team, bro. Wait, get this sword. What happened, my man? Oh my god. Yo. He tried to attack the team. Charge! No, not that, bro, not that. Bro, team. Mother freaking no!